Welcome back. PWD Minister Churchill Alimão assured to cancel the proposed national highway and western bypass if it is proving detrimental to the people of Nuvem.
CWC, along with Nuvem residents, held important meeting with the PWD Minister Churchill Alimão on the issue of proposed national highway and western bypass.
A point in case is the ongoing controversy regarding vast filling which has been carried out at Peda Benaulim. Another development is proposed western bypass road NH17 from Nuvem to Navelim, which will cut a road across this drainage path and should involve a massive provision of cross drainage including causeway section if it should not pose a major problem.
PWD Minister Churchill Alimão assured the people that injustice will not be done to them. After the meeting, Sanjeev Raiturkar told us about the outcome of the meeting.
So I have told Churchill to all central people, I have suggested some environmentalists so that we study this case and we should oppose this western bypass till the end, because there is no point in having this western bypass. There is no point in having this western bypass because it will cause lot of destruction. It will cost money, and which is a waste of public money. Instead of that, they can have a flyover from Margaon to Nuvem.
Raiturkar informed about the minister's assurance.
Churchill Alimão has assured me in front of everybody, in front of media, that he is going to call the National Highway Authority. He is going to discuss with them, and if that flooding or some major destruction is caused, then he said he is going to wipe off this western bypass.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Panji police arrested 2 robbers at Santines on Monday. PI Francisco Court with PSI Chimulkar arrested the 2 accused Rashid and Kashif Ali of Bijnor, Uttar Pradesh. The accused are now remanded to 10 days police custody.
It was reported that the 2 accused were robbing a flat of Preeti Lavande. PI Francis Court informed more on this case.
We have interrogated them. They had just come one day prior, and it is learned that they had come by flight to Goa, and they were staying in one city hotel, and thereafter they went to that place. So their modus operandi is they go during the daytime, they identify any flat which is closed, and they are having some equipment like a rod which they use to break the door, the lock and the door which are locked, which are found closed. So this is the modus operandi they are using. We have booked them under 454 380 IPC, Red with 34.
Our reporter in Panji, Sunny Narvekar.
Management of Kadamba Transport Corporation will be deciding on the implementation of 6th pay recommendations. Though the Employees Union of KTC hopes for some good news, they are still observing the situation with crossed fingers.
Fonseca cleared the stand of Kadamba Drivers and Allied Employees Association on the non-fulfillment of their demands.
We are a confident body of working class organization. We are prepared to face, in case the government decides and the Kadamba Transport Corporation decides to come with a no, definitely the government and the authorities will be committing an act of Himalayan irregularity and illegality, which cannot be justified at no place, at no count.
Later in the evening on Tuesday, KTC Chairman Alexio Reginaldo Lorenzo informed on the strategy planned for the implementation of 6th pay.
Bajaj board decision gela ki board member manta it is going to be suicidal for Kadamba to give 6th pay commission. Now from where to bring the money? I have given them option. I said I will put my conditions. If at all you want any decision on 6th pay, you first consider revenue increase.
Our reporter in Panji, Manoj Arolkar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.